frog here. Chad's gonna...
Likely a desert tree frog.
Most likely a desert tree frog. Chad's gonna try and catch it. Looks like he's caught. Oh! There we go. You got two frogs. And two frogs are better than one. We're on this train track in near Buchanan Creek. Probably illegal, but river to jump into.
Crocodile river.
Yeah, crocodile infested waters, but nothing we can't handle. And that there is a wild rock. Bye bye. Yeah, I am. Alright, what have we got here, Chad?
I'm pretty sure this is a slavey grey.
I just got to get my footing right. I'm slipping all over these rocks.
So he wants to come back up at foot, at knee. Beautiful snake. Fuck, that's so
Turtle.
Where?